Welcome to episode 5 of the Highgrove build, filmed on the 6th of July 2025. These videos are being recorded by the aerial photo and videography company From Above in conjunction with the Highgrove Implementation Monitoring Group. Our aim is to make a visual record of how the Highgrove development build is progressing month by month as part of our monitoring programme and to make this information available to the public. Episode 5. This episode starts at Highgrove Farm, which you will all be familiar with. To the left you can now see that one house has gone up and there are the foundations of another and of the garages. This is the start of the Barrett show homes and sales area. Panning over to the southwestern corner of the site, you can see containment pond number 1, which has groundwater in it. You can see that there are 3 pipe outlets. 2 of these will take the surface water from the site and discharge it into the containment pond. The 3rd pipe outlet will drain the water out of the pond, into the ditch, and then into the culvert under the road, and subsequently into the ditch along Walton Lane. Looking slightly to the north along the western boundary, you can see 2 cement silos. We now move to the eastern side of the development. The eastern access is now open and leads to where the David Wilson show homes and sales area is being built. You can see the 2 brick houses taking shape. There are 2 other cement silos close by. In the background you can see containment pond number 4, which is filled with groundwater.